I recently visited Kies Motorsports in New Jersey to get a new steering wheel installed. While I was there, I had some time to hang out with my friend Brian and learn more about his company.
Hey, my name is Brian. I am the president and CEO of Kies Motorsports. So previous to Kies Motorsports, I actually worked in healthcare technology, and I had to go on a business trip to Nashville, Tennessee, and I had to drive 800 miles in 2 days, and I rented the smallest car possible for 15 bucks a day. Well, when I got there, they were completely out of cars, and I was waiting to meet with the biggest health system in the country at the time, so I couldn't be late. They came to me and they said, sorry, we don't have any cars, and then suddenly a brand new F30 BMW 328 appeared, and they said, would you be okay with this car? And I said, you know, sure, why not? So I drove it 800 miles, fell in love with the car, came back to New Jersey. Took a little convincing, but I got my wife to be able to allow me to get one. So around January of 2016, it was time to start modding the car, and at that time, we just started filming some of the mods that we did. Some of them were as simple as sticking a trunk spoiler on, and some of them were a little bit more complex, but nothing really too crazy. And just as time went on, we just started to grow and get more requests for videos, and here we are today. Hey, this is Brian. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at kiesmotorsports.com. Today, we're going to show you how to install pure stage 2 turbos on this F80 M3. So at Kies Motorsports, we offer BMW retrofit performance and aesthetic upgrades. So we do everything from M Sport conversions. We do things like pure turbos. We can also do things like boot mode flash tuning. We have intercoolers, charge pipes. We do retrofits like backup cameras, Apple TVs, digital clusters, MET Evos, touchscreens. So most upgrades we will do, especially ones that are bolt-ons. So that's pretty much where we specialize. We can even do things like roll cages, and so we do. It's hard to explain. We do a lot with carbon fiber. As you can see on my car, we have a little bit of carbon fiber, intakes, all that kind of different stuff. So when we first started back in 2016, we got hooked up with a company called Tech, and we were their only authorized dealer in the Philadelphia area. And through there, I really wanted to start to grow the business really from nothing, from my home, and we didn't really have a shop. So what we did is we thought, a lot of people, like myself included, were very busy during the day. So what if there was a company that could do all of these services on your driveway? So we actually started out as 100% mobile, and it's still a service that we offer today. We actually have a customer in the shop right now that drove up from Virginia, and we were at his house 2 months ago doing work on his driveway. So if you need something like a backup camera, we've even done things like exhaust, completely remote on our customers' driveways. And then through there, we naturally got a shop about a year and a half ago, and we've been growing ever since. We picked a location that's more of a destination spot. It's not really a popular spot for BMWs. So YouTube accounts for about 98% of our business, which has been pretty cool. We've had people drive from as far as Canada. We've had Justin drive from Michigan. We actually have a guy in the shop from North Carolina today. We've had people drive over 10 hours, which has been super exciting for us. It's very humbling too. It's like you drove all the way to see us, and it's been such a cool feeling. So I would say that we're most known for the F30, F32, and also the F80 and F82. We tend to get the most out of those. We do a lot of things like turbos and flash tuning on these cars. We do a lot more in the performance area, but we also still do a lot of retrofits, and we do a ton of carbon fiber, even for things like E90s. We do F30s, F80s. But really what we try to do is we really just try to stick to BMW. We get a lot of requests to do Audi, Mercedes, and all these other different brands, even Porsche and some higher end, but we really try to stay true to BMW for about 99% of what we do.
Starting to race.
If you're interested in learning more about who we are and what we do, be sure to check out our YouTube page. Give us a like, make sure to subscribe. Also check us out at kiesmotorsports.com for all your BMW retrofit, performance, and aesthetic needs. My name is Brian. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.